Greetings everyone, it's Reed here, and I've got a little quick video about another project of another video. So, what I'm doing is, I'm trying to measure the electrical power, I don't know if you can see that pretty well, yeah, we'll see, of a device, so I can tell you about what it's like trying to run it on solar power and stuff like that. The only problem that I'm running into is I'm trying to make a daily log of some of the power values. And right now, the device doesn't use much power. I mean, that's why I got it for doing stuff on solar. It doesn't use a ton of power. And I'm in the error rate, because right now, this thing's measuring whole kilowatt hours. Well, I need to know sub-kilowatt hours to actually make the video make sense and give good, useful data. Because I've been running this for over a month now, and once it crossed over, 9,900 watts, it flipped over to whole kilowatt hours. Not enough resolution for me to make the video. Okay, so what do? Well, I knock things on the floor, that's what I do. Anyways, so I got another one. And if you're wondering why the one's in like Tupperware and one's in a cardboard box, these are cheap little power meters that I got off of, Alibaba or Amazon. In this case, I got it from Amazon because I could actually read some reviews of ones that, didn't catch fire and blow up. So I bought those ones. And if you're curious which one I'm using, I'll put a link in the description. You can go check it out. Nothing special. I think they're like 16 bucks. Good enough for what I'm trying to do. Are they super accurate? No. Are they close enough? Yeah, within around 5%. So good enough for me making a video. But other than that, I wouldn't trust them for a ton. I mean, it's sort of close-ish rough numbers. Yeah. So I got this one packed up and stuff like that. And what I need to do is get it hooked up here in the electrical box. And I wanted to show you guys what I was doing on that. Okay. Now I've already got one of these wired up down here. You can see some of the wires here, and it goes into this little sensor over here. I know it's probably a little hard to see on the camera, maybe. We'll see if we can zoom in enough to show you and stuff like that. Now what I'm going to do is I need to connect another sensor to the other wire for the device. There's two wires to power something. Usually, unless we're dealing with three-phase, and we've got three. But this is regular, 200 or 120 volt. Today, we're doing 120 volt, so two wires, just need to get it on the other wire. And here's the little sensor reader. What it is, it's a little tiny transformer, and it picks up on the electromagnetic field generated by current flowing through a wire, measures it, that gives it an estimate of how many amps there are, and from there it can calculate how much energy the device is using. All right, let's get this all done. Now, I've already pulled the breaker a ways out, so it's not a live wire. Don't do this on live wires. Okay, got our wire. Slide this over. Now we connect this back up. Okay, I've got this connected up on the wire. And now I'm gonna hook the sensor in to the little wires I've already got in here. So I got these nice little clippy things. Make it real easy to hook this up. I recommend them. If you're curious what these are, I'll put a link to them in the description as well so you can check them out. And as you can see, I have a tail of a helper here. So, get one, put it in, push the clip down, get the other, put it in, clip it down. All right, now I'm gonna reattach the breaker. All right. Helper, my helper, he's gotta move. This one's named Cisco if you're curious. Okay, turn the breaker on. Hey, nothing blew up. All right, let's get everything positioned and check. All right, it's turned on. Now I'm ready to measure the power the device is using, and I can finish making this video. So in around 2 weeks, you'll see what the heck this all was really about. Take care, everyone. This is Reed, out for now.